Whenever I start a new strand, I always begin by clearing my space. The sage, it just helps me to reset, to clear the air, clear my thoughts, and just help me to slow down. Now, I don't rush this part at all because I just want to let the smoke move how it wants to. When it's time to measure the string, I usually cut it at about 50 inches. It gives me enough room to work, but it also reminds me that peace needs space too. Then I grab the beads that I'm drawn to for that day and I just pour them out into my beading bowl. I never plan the design. I just go with what feels right in that moment. And once everything's laid out and ready, that's when the creating really begins. Every strand I make starts and ends with peace. What begins as a moment for me becomes something meaningful for someone else. Thank you for slowing down with me today. And if you are interested in waist beads, leave me a comment down below and let me know what's your favorite color or what intrigues you to waist beads. I'll catch you in the next video.